this is the former Union Pacific Railroad swing bridge. Now, it was built in 1921, but now the trail of the Coeur d'Alens, formerly Union Pacific Railroad, Pratt through Truss swing bridge over the Lake Coeur d'Alens, located in Chatcolet, Idaho. And this bridge was converted to for traffic, and I'm gonna show you. Now this, you see, yeah, so it had converted to for traffic, and so it still swings for boats and stuff, but it swings back for traffic now. So it's a former railroad, so it's located in Chatcolet, Idaho.